I never understood why people needed projectors. It seemed expensive, complicated, and unnecessary. Then I tried one, just once, and ever since my TV has been gathering dust. Today I'm going to tell you everything about the Haprun H1, a projector that completely changed how I spend my evenings at home. And yes, the link is already in the description below. But watch this video first because there are details you really need to know before buying. The first thing that surprises you is the size. This projector is smaller than most lunchboxes. 9 inches long, 3.5 inches high. It literally fits into a backpack. I've taken it with me to friends' houses, out of town, and once I even set it up outside and projected the image onto the wall of a building. Everything worked perfectly. And despite its tiny size, it looks premium. A black and white body, a glossy top panel, and a serious lens on the front. No cheap plastic feel at all. It can be set up in 3 different ways: on a table, on a tripod, or mounted to the ceiling. If you want to watch movies lying down without turning your head, which honestly is the perfect option for a bedroom. Now about the most important thing, the image. The H1 provides a native Full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution. Not supported, not compatible, but it's actual native resolution. This means that every pixel is real, sharp, and clear. With 250 ANSI lumens, the image is simply stunning in a darkened room. Colors are rich and vibrant, dark scenes are readable, and fine details are clearly visible. And the screen size goes up to 200 inches. 200 inches. That's about 16 feet away from the wall. Even at 120 inches, it's already 3 times bigger than any home TV you've ever owned. When you turn it on for the first time, you'll literally just stand there with your mouth wide open. I'm serious. The sound is also top-notch. It has built-in hi-fi stereo speakers, more than enough for a bedroom or a medium-sized room. Clear sound, decent bass, no distortion. But if you need loud surround sound, just connect an external speaker via Bluetooth 5.1. Instant pairing, 0 lag. Or vice versa. Put on headphones late at night and watch by yourself without disturbing anyone. Both options work flawlessly. And by the way, if you've already decided to buy it, the link is right in the description and the current price is shown immediately. Connectivity is extremely simple. An HDMI port, 2 USB ports. It's all built in. Plug in a Fire TV stick or Chromecast, and you instantly have Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and anything else you want right on your projector screen. PS5 and Xbox connect without any issues. As for phones, an iPhone works with a Lightning to HDMI adapter, and an Android works with a Type-C or micro USB to HDMI cable. The adapter isn't included, but you can buy one for literally a couple of dollars on Amazon. If your phone doesn't support a wired connection at all, just use a Chromecast and everything will work wirelessly. In the end, no matter what device you have, it will connect to this projector. No exceptions. Who is this even for? If you live in a small apartment and don't want to spend a fortune on a massive TV, this is your answer. The projector takes up as much space as a book, but delivers an image larger than any television. Are you a student? Honestly, this is the cheapest way to get a home theater in a dorm or apartment. Have kids? Cartoons on a 200-inch screen are pure magic for them. They've never seen anything like it. Love hosting guests? One movie night with this projector, and everyone will be begging you to do it again. It fits literally any situation. The Haprun H1 is a small projector that changes everything. 1080p resolution, up to a 200-inch screen, Bluetooth 5.1, works with any of your devices, and fits in a backpack. I truly don't understand people who still watch movies on a laptop screen when something like this exists. The link is right in the description below this video. The current price is listed there, and there are often discounts. Just click it, take a look, and you'll see what I mean. Watch movies the way they were meant to be watched. in a big format.